If you want a business that runs daily, requires minimal staff, and stays profitable even during economic downturns, a laundromat is one of the most reliable options. People always need clean clothes, and laundromats provide a necessary service for renters, students, and busy families. In this video, I'll show you how to start a laundromat business from scratch, how much investment you need, the machines you should buy, how to choose the right location, and how to scale your laundromat into a strong cash flow business. Stay till the end because I'll also share marketing strategies and a real-world success story that proves this business model works. Everyone needs clean clothes. Renters, families, students, busy professionals, and people without in-home washers rely on laundromats. Demand stays strong in dense urban areas, near apartments, colleges, military bases, or low-income neighborhoods where home machines are rare. Many households also use laundromats for bulky items like comforters and rugs. The laundromat industry remains stable because laundry is a necessity, not a luxury. This means even during economic slowdowns, people still use laundromats, making it a recession-resistant business. The U.S. laundromat industry is valued at around $7 billion in 2025, and the broader coin-operated laundry sector keeps growing steadily at 3 to 6% annually. A well-run laundromat generates $15,000 to $30,000 or more in monthly revenue, with strong margins once equipment is paid off. Location is the most important factor in a laundromat business. Poor location kills businesses. Research demographics, foot traffic, competition, and renter density. You need a spot with high foot traffic, dense population, and limited competition. Ideal locations include apartment complexes, college areas, working-class neighborhoods, and near public transit. The space should be at least 1,200 to 2,500 square feet, with strong electrical capacity, water supply, and drainage. Negotiate a long-term lease with options to renew. You'll need a separate area for machines, folding tables, seating, and a small customer counter. Design layout for easy flow. Washers in front, dryers in back, folding areas central, good lighting and security. Offer extras: drop-off service, commercial accounts, eco-detergents, loyalty cards, to boost revenue. A laundromat can start with a small team, but you should plan for security and maintenance, especially during peak hours. The core equipment includes commercial washers, dryers, and payment systems. A standard setup for a small laundromat typically includes 10 to 20 washers and 10 to 20 dryers. Commercial washers cost between $700 and $2,000 each, depending on capacity and brand. Dryers cost between $600 and $1,800 each. A payment system with card and app payments costs around $1,000 to $3,000, plus monthly processing fees. You'll also need laundry carts, folding tables, seating, and signage, which adds another $2,000 to $5,000. A small laundromat can be started with $80,000 to $150,000 in equipment costs, and larger locations can go higher. Startup costs for a laundromat usually range between $150,000 and $500,000, including leasehold improvements, equipment, permits, and initial working capital. Monthly expenses include rent, utilities, water, detergent supply, maintenance, and staff. Utilities can be the largest ongoing cost, especially water and electricity. Revenue depends on location and machine count, but a small laundromat can generate $3,000 to $10,000 per month in gross income, while larger, well-located laundromats can exceed $20,000 to $40,000 per month. Profit margins are typically 20 to 35%. And many laundromats recover their investment within 3 to 5 years if the location is strong and machines are well maintained. Register your business and obtain necessary permits, which can include health permits, fire safety approvals, and local business licenses. You may also need permits for water usage, depending on local regulations. You'll likely need health department approval if offering wash-dry-fold, building permits for renovations, and possibly environmental permits for water usage. Insurance is key: general liability, property, workers' comp if you have employees, $1,000 to $5,000 annually. Branding is straightforward. Choose a clean, trustworthy name like Fresh Cycle Laundry or Quick Wash Hub. Use bright signs, clean interior design, and app-based loyalty programs. Add vending, comfortable seating, TVs, and free Wi-Fi to make it a welcoming spot. Claim Google Business Profile for local searches like Laundromat near me. Run Google ads or Facebook ads targeting renters and families. Budget $500 to $2,000 monthly at start. Offer grand opening specials, loyalty discounts, or referral bonuses. Post on local Facebook groups, Nextdoor, and Instagram with photos of your clean, modern space. Build recurring revenue with wash-dry-fold subscriptions, pick-up delivery via apps, or partnerships with apartments. Jose Andino transformed Top Wash Laundromat in Boston's Dorchester neighborhood. He took over a 30-year-old spot, upgraded to modern high-efficiency machines, added remote monitoring and card payments, and focused on cleanliness and community service. Stories like his, and others who scaled to multiple locations, show that investing in quality equipment, great service, and smart operations turns laundromats into reliable wealth builders. Check more real examples on LaundryLux resources or YouTube channels like Laundromats 101. We connect you with similar equipment suppliers and proven strategies. Tap the link in the description. Once your first store is stable, add services like wash-dry-fold, commercial contracts, or pick-up delivery for apartments to increase revenue 20 to 50%. Upgrade machines over time for energy savings and customer appeal. You can also introduce smart laundry apps that allow customers to reserve machines. Scaling is about improving efficiency and expanding in areas with strong demand. What excites you most? Self-service only? Or adding wash-dry-fold? Comment below. So that's how you can start a laundromat business from scratch. With the right location, quality machines, and strong customer experience, this business can become a stable cash flow machine. Comment below if you'd start a laundromat in your city, and check the link if you want help with equipment selection, location analysis, or startup guidance. Your laundromat can be a steady income business that grows with time.